Hey team, thank you so much for clicking in. My name is Sajay Kumar and you're watching me on ACE Academy. So what are we going to learn today? We are going to learn English grammar rule. We are watching English grammar rule number 4. I have uploaded rule number 1, 2 and 3 before. If you haven't watched it, please go watch it. Now let's see what rule number 4 has to say. Rule number 4 says, if two or more singular subjects are connected by and, which refers to the same person or thing, the verb will take a singular form. Right? So, if you have watched my rule number 3, you will understand that rule number 3 and 4 are moreover similar, but rule number 4 has a small difference, which is, if two or more singular subjects are connected by and, which refers to the same person. Right? In rule number 3, we saw two different persons, and in rule number 4, if the word and is connected with two or more singular subjects which represent the same person or a thing, the verb will take a singular form. Right? Now let us see the example. My mother, my critic are here. Right? My mother and my critic represent the same person, not different person. If in case my mother, my critic are two different persons, then this might be right, because if we are talking about two different persons, the verb should be plural. But my mother and my critic here represent to the same person. But how do we know that it represents the same person? Think about it. So, how do we know that my mother and my critic represent the same person? I'll give you a hint. Can you see my and my mother, my critic? Right? There will always be an article or a possessive adjective. My is a possessive adjective. Do you know what is a possessive adjective? A possessive adjective is an adjective which shows the possession of a thing or an article. For example, my pen, your pen, our pen, their car, our car. Like that. These are possessive adjectives. Right? So, here we have a hint that a possessive adjective is being used before my mother and critic, my critic. Right? So we can definitely say that these two are indicating the same person. So according to rule number 4, if two or more singular subjects are connected by and which refer to the same person or a thing, the verb will take a singular form. So according to rule number 4, these my mother and my critic represent the same person. So according to rule number 4, we should be using a singular verb, but here we have used a plural verb. Singular verb is this. So if we reframe this sentence correctly, we should be using is as verb. Right? So my mother and my critic is here will be the right sentence. So let us see some more examples. Let us see some examples to understand better. But before that, let us recollect the rule once again. The rule number 4 says, if two or more singular subjects, consider this as a singular subject, are connected with the word and is a conjunction, and if they are connected with the word and they are representing the same person. For example, A and B are same person, then the verb that follows will be singular. This is the rule. Right? So now let us see the examples. My mother and my critic are here. This is the same example which I just showed you. I have just written the correct format of it. So let us see. My mother and my critic are here. So here a plural verb is being used, but according to the rule, my mother and my critic represent the same person. right? It represents the same person. So according to the rule, the verb should be singular. Is should be the correct verb that should be used here. My mother and my critic is here should be the correct sentence. So I will give a hint how to differentiate that the two subjects are representing the same person. Here we can clearly see that a possessive adjective has been used before the word mother, right? My mother, my critic, and also an article is being used before the director and the producer. What this example is trying to mean is that the director, who is also the producer of this movie, has come. So a person who is the director is also the producer. So it is talking about the same person, right? In this example, we see the captain and the coach of the team has come. The captain, who is also the coach of this team. So we are talking about the same person here. Can you understand? So the captain, who is also the coach of this team, have come. So that is what the meaning of this sentence. We are talking about the same person. So how do we differentiate that? We are talking about the same person. We show a possessive adjective or an article before a subject, right? Here we are using an article. The is a definite article, so we are using the word to show that we are talking about the same person here. So according to the rule, if two singular subjects are representing the same person, and if they are connected with the word and, we should follow a singular verb, right? My mother, my critic is here will be the right form of sentence. This rule number 4, not only applies for living thing but also for non-living thing. For example, bread and butter are my favorite breakfast. Bread and butter are two things, but here we represent as breakfast. So these two things combined as breakfast. That is what the meaning of this sentence. The meaning of this sentence is bread and butter are my favorite breakfast. Breakfast consists of both, right? It involves both of the things. Bread and butter are my favorite breakfast. So according to rule number 4, these two words represent the same meaning, and it has been connected with the word and. So we should be using a singular verb, but here we have used a plural verb. So it should be reframed as bread and butter is my favorite breakfast. So this will be the correct sentence, right? So the director and the producer of this film have is the plural form. So we should be using has come. The director and the producer of this film has come should be the right form of sentence. Moving on to the last example, the captain and the coach of the team have come. Have come should be changed to has. The captain, who is also the coach. So we are talking about the same person. So we should use a singular subject there, singular verb there. So have should be converted to has. The captain and the coach has come. The captain and the coach of the team has come is the right form of the sentence. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, please go comment down below because it means a lot to me. And liking the video or subscribing to it is totally up to you. And that's all I have to say from my side. See you in the next video.